Jasa Marieta, James Kinara Basweti, the Chief Principal of Nyamira National Polytechnic. Kuruna na igeta se college ya Nyamira National Polytechnic na koli roro umwaka oyamo angene mitinyi itatu. And I'm happy to be associated na Nyamira National Poly because as tu anyorete ya rengi na abanafunzi 1600 bona iga tuikire abanafunzi 3850 na ndewe iko mutinyo yo gatano nkorenge na toa sabo ikabana karibu 5000 ntebe asobuyenge nga serikali transformation agenda ya Mheshimiwa William Ruto nianjete sana amangana ya iga technical institutions na inde etobwate target ya recruit 2 million trainees as omwaka oyo iga neyo tukakonywa na Interior Ministry as Office of the President ekoba involved okora marketing na komenta abana as technical institutions because as a country we got the technical and skilled manpower industrialization yakoba raisi na Kenya we want it to be a first world industrial country eyo eranya arekane wetera asoko train aba Kenya komanya industrial skills in the involved as production both in the industry, in agriculture and many other sectors. Na boigo Kenya bonoiga we are one of the countries to export labor. We export labor and it is in high demand in many of the European countries and American countries. Eitogoroka a program ya Kasi Maju igekorusia aba Kenya gaiga bali baetire through technical institutions bagenda ngumbu bajikokora chigazi kirekire highly paying in the industries and also in the agricultural sector and in so many other sectors like even in fisheries in Kenya, to tell about steel fixing, to talk about building, bricklaying, formworks. Nyamira is a very good institution. One Nyamira nebuate program we go dual training. Dual training area we train in the industry, with the industry and for the industry. And then tualia raisiringa abana baito akera bakogenda ba train as a tea industry kuna one of the tea industry mbali ko inyabokora kurora na mwana gokore course ya yaiga igakonyore gas direct already abana baito mbali kire as a factory ya Mugeni Tea Factory eyere Nyamira County aliange na Ikonge na abande mbali kire Tepasonic Erekericho County igo mwana ndibwenzi ogokore gas tariko misie gas kaso mire akolire obviously nkonyorare gas igo ekinegento toraire buna a very positive development aso mugusi na ase Kenya ngima na tigatochamo toreta abana to the technical institutions basome elinde banyoleti esiri yo komenta abanafunzi na mbeyemo no ko emphasize as a training abana kibago chagaiga banyora ng'abalimu bali well skilled bali well developed capacity build amwana gago so class ime igago sagara akoewa SME bunanye tagetubye ko monyene pako mwana otebanga kweli iga kuna training na boigo komenta nayo ntobwate obwama tobuya na Interior Ministry, the ACC, the chiefs, the DCC, the ACC once pi igobago tokonya kumoporaisia abana kurwe village elinde na koba uniform baiche basoma Nyamira National Polytechnic na boigo serikali ya develop marketing wing as a state department ya TVET. They always come to the ground and we facilitate them and they can be able to mop across the Kisii County and Nyamira County. And from that we have been able to get so many trainees. That is from 1,600 to now over 3,800 students. Asenge njo yeskuru egende tukina ekeona igete ntwanyora abana ba NYS National Youth Service ko train in our institution for the first time. Wana watanya wote Nyamira and at one particular time. To our Oseliki hostel, they have the hostels, they are living there, they are very comfortable, and we are expecting more students from NYS who join Nyamira National Polytechnic. Apart from that, also, availability, balibabuate hostels in the neighborhood, to Agambira Navarrobo, investors, they are really investing on hostels. So, one of the ways you go to Nyamira National Polytechnic, ta komisia sakomenya, we kanyora sakomenya, and we are also advantaged in the plenty of water supply as a facility. We are very near to Bunyunyu market, so they get all that they need, and we have also very good security because in Bunyunyu, in the neighborhood of the institution, we have very good contingent security police station, which also now is an added advantage. And every time we work very well seamlessly with the student leadership of the institution. Naboigo n'abalimu mbale very close n'abanafunzi baito komanya mitane nyonse babwate nabonye solve in time so that we can all move together.
In
the other time asa baiboli
baitini takwegeka
okeza fena you okay asa baiboli baito balia bale ase imeya usi Nyamira County na Kisii County egendo ndatebenkelinga abana bali bakolete form 4 umwaka uli waera amatemu abasoka in the month of January mo basoko batiga babere isiko tiga babinyoka bwango baiche Nyamira National Polytechnic chikosi mwayigo tobwate ne chinyinge tobwate building and civil tobwate electrical tobwate business courses tobwate food and beverage tobwate automotive ne tobwate agriculture ne chinde chinyinge igo toma abana baino bachiche basome nande muna bagocha basoma mumanyete nge serikali ngobekero koboko asoko bakanere fees whether as scholarship whether as help na whether as capitation igo timo bera motiga abana babera isiko barete bwango erinde tobakonya nande tobaye chikoziria kira bakonya ase obugmo bwabo bwa motu na bali boigo bakora grade 9 batochoine grade 10 in senior secondary tigabache na borobo chikozi cyabonchiro egya chikozi ne cyanita nabo chiganetie grade kyabana bali bakorire grade 9 bachoini erinde banyore skills bekonye buka banyana zo gukora gazi yabo na kulikwa na serikali biyama.